Howdy friends, your city manager here on May 9th, 2020 with your daily COVID-19 update. It is a beautiful Saturday afternoon and I'm videoing here from Heritage Park. Right behind me you can see the new renovations going on at the building. This park was built in 75 and 76, was dedicated. We've got a baseball field, playground, tennis courts, basketball courts, all right here, and has been in need of some love over the past several years. And so thankfully City Council over the last couple of years, along with our park staff and some contractors, everybody has pitched in and made this an effort to rehabilitate this park over here off of Old Englewood Road and just off of South Jackson Street. So this will have new restrooms, completely redone pavilion, which you can see behind me with that beautiful Athens blue roof. And then also I'll spin around and show you the back side of the park. We're going to be looking at, there's the playground equipment, which my son loves to come out here and play on. Basketball courts and tennis courts behind me there, and they'll actually have new surfaces on them here shortly. We do have that planned and budgeted as soon as we can get the rest of this building behind me wrapped up. We've also had some cleanup done with the flora out here with the trees to make sure that what's important if you're a parent and your kids are out here, once we can reopen these playgrounds, that the playgrounds, that you can see them wherever you are. If you want to walk around the parking lot, that you've got a line of sight anywhere in the park. And so we have cleaned up the trees. They've needed a lot of love, but those beautiful Foster hollies are now cleaned up, and there's a clean line of sight throughout the entire park. So let's look at our Tennessee Department of Health data for today. Currently, there are 14,768 Tennesseans who have been diagnosed as COVID positive since the beginning of this pandemic. That means there are, through yesterday, there were actually 345 new cases across the state. There have been 253,748 new tests, total tests conducted for COVID-19 in Tennessee. And there are now 242 Tennesseans who have lost their life to this novel coronavirus during this pandemic. Here in McMinn County, we are at 116 positive tests and 1,889 negative COVID-19 tests. There are 19 McMinn Countyans that are thankfully identified as fully recovered now, and I wanted to update you with our cluster in our long-term care facility at Life Care. There have been 114 positive cases identified at Life Care facility, and that is staff and residents, and there have been, unfortunately now, 4 deaths. Those are the only 4 deaths that have been recorded for McMinn County. And they're all through the long-term care facility cluster that has been identified. McMinn County, Athens, Friendly City, you are doing a great job. If you go on tn.gov, you can go under the Department of Health and look at all of this data, all of these statistics, and much more. A lot more statistics that are now being shared publicly. You can go on there and check. One of the things that I was very interested in seeing and happy to see is that our district right here that is our 10-county Department of Health district that includes all of McMinn is testing at a higher rate than any other jurisdiction across the state of Tennessee. Our folks care. We care about each other. We love our friends and neighbors. And so we want to make sure that we're COVID-19 negative. And that is 1,889 of us going out there and showing and proving that we are, in fact, negative. That is great work. Keep it up. You can get your free tests at the McMinn County Health Department Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to noon. You can get your free face masks. Get those masks so you can cover yourselves up when you have to go out in public, when you have to go out and go to the grocery store, go to general merchandise stores. When you're going now, we can get our hair cut. When you're going to get your nails done, all of those things that we've been missing for the last several weeks that our governor is slowly allowing to reopen those businesses. You can go and do that, but we got to be cautious. We got to still take care of each other. I don't want, and I know you do this, the Tennessee Pledge. We don't want to be the reason that anybody else contracts COVID-19. We don't want to spread it. We don't want to be the reason that somebody loses their life because we maybe unknowingly spread COVID-19 to them. The only way to know whether you have it is to get tested. We're seeing more and more people asymptomatic, but we got to know whether you have COVID-19 or not. So get tested. If that is your choice, get tested. It's free, no cost, drive through, takes a few minutes. They'll take care of you out at the health department. They'll give you a free face mask. If you don't already have one, you can make one at home. Just any kind of cloth covering that you can wear out in public. And I've been out, have to make a run to the grocery store, and I'm seeing a lot of people still not caring about other people, not wearing those face masks and protecting the public health. Please do that. We know you love your friends and neighbors. Love right now is a face mask to make sure that we're not unknowingly spreading this coronavirus to our friends and loved ones and even strangers that we don't know. So be responsible. Keep up the great work, Athenians. You've done such a wonderful job through this pandemic. Hopefully we're going to start seeing some better data come out the next few days. They're going to show that we're on the backside of this. The surge is over, and we're starting to get back to a new normal. COVID-19 will remain a threat to us, to our health, and especially to people in vulnerable positions with weakened immune systems. The elderly are adversely affected by COVID-19. We have to keep up being responsible, using proper hygiene to make sure that we're protecting each other's health. And we're protecting especially the elderly and those with weakened immune systems because they are adversely affected by this virus. So keep up the great work, friends. We're going to take off tomorrow because tomorrow is a very special day. We're going to honor our mothers. It is Mother's Day. We're going to honor all of those mother figures in our lives, and we're going to make them feel special and know how much they're loved. And we're going to do that together. For all the moms out there, or the mom figures, you may not have children, but you act in your daily life as somebody's motherly figure. They see you as that. We love you. You do a wonderful job taking care of us, taking care of yourself, making sacrifices day in and day out because you love us so much. So our heart goes out to you, all the moms and mother figures out there. We hope you have a wonderful, beautiful Mother's Day tomorrow. I'm not going to come on and give an update. Everybody take a break and spend that time showing all of those mothers and mother figures, our grandmothers. Show them all how much they mean to us, especially during this time. Show them that love. Friendly City, May God bless you. May God bless our mothers. And may God bless Athens.